uses natural gas to heat your food. Natural gas comes from inside the earth, and when we light it on fire, it produces heat. Awesome! Things people use from the earth are called natural resources, and that's today's topic. Today, we'll learn that things people use from nature are called natural resources. Humans use natural resources for everything they do. And plants and animals also need natural resources like water and air.
3, 2, wonder! Yeah! 3, 2, wonder! Hey! Let's go! 3, 2, wonder!
Hey, Olivia. Hey, Elijah. Nice cabin.
Wait till you see the finished project, Dr. Jeff. Elijah, pass me another stick, please.
I think we're all out, Olivia.
I guess you used them up.
Good thing we're on a planet with so many resources. We could just get more from nature.
Even natural resources can be used up, so it's important to be thoughtful in how we use them. Natural resources are things people use from nature, such as trees, water, and minerals. Let's explore natural resources so we know how to use them wisely. It's time to go into our imagination. Follow me! Ready? Here we go. In
3, 2, wonder!
Whoa, we're really here.
Our imaginations are amazing!
we will explore 3 different kinds of natural resources today: water, wood, and fossil fuels. Let's start with water.
Great idea!
Water is a very important natural resource. In fact, all living things need water.
Good thing Earth is almost completely covered with water. In fact, all this blue is water.
But think about how much of that water is salt water, which we can't drink.
That's right. Only a small amount of water on Earth is fresh water, so we need to conserve it.
That's what water conservation is all about. Being thoughtful in how we choose to use water. Can you think of ways that we can use less of this important natural resource?
You can turn off the water while you brush your teeth.
And take shorter showers so less fresh water goes down the drain.
Also, in places that don't get a lot of rain, choosing not to water your lawn as often is a great way to save water.
Yes. Also, some farmers are replacing old ways of watering plants with a drip system like this. It allows them to use less water. Wood is also a natural resource.
Oh yeah, wood comes from trees in the forest, which can be used to build houses.
And also pencils, paper, and furniture.
Trees can even be the source of some medicines, like how natural chemicals in willow bark can be used to soothe headaches. When people chop down a lot of trees, we call that deforestation.
But we can help conserve this resource by planting new ones.
And we can also reduce, reuse, and recycle some things we get from trees. Like this cup, which is made from recycled paper.
So is the paper used to make this airplane.
Fossil fuels are another natural resource, and they are used in cars, buses, and airplanes.
Wait, did you say fossils? Like as in dinosaur fossils?
Sort of. But like dinosaur fossils, fossil fuels are found deep underground. And since they take millions of years to form, fossil fuels are a limited resource as well.
Some fossil fuels include coal, oil, and natural gas. Natural gas is a fossil fuel we use to heat our food and our homes.
Since fossil fuels are a natural resource, how can we use less of it?
Great question. Scientists are working together to offer us choices that are better for the environment.
Oh, right! Like solar panels that use energy from the sun or fuel made from algae.
Dr. Jeff, we found even more examples of natural resources.
Awesome. Tell us more.
Other natural resources include metals, which come from minerals we dig out of the ground.
Different metals, like aluminum, are used every day. Aluminum is used to make my baseball bat, real airplanes, and even the aluminum foil used to wrap my lunch.
Rubber is a natural resource too. Bouncy balls and tires can be made from a liquid that oozes out of rubber trees.
Even gold can be dug out from the earth. And it's not just used to make jewelry. Gold is used in electronics like phones and computers.
I wonder if animals, other than humans, use natural resources like us.
All animals need water to survive.
Right. And birds use twigs from trees to build nests.
All living things use natural resources for everything they do.
Since some natural resources are limited, we must make responsible choices in how we use them. That way, we can keep the planet healthy for people, plants, and animals.
Like taking used paper and turning it into something new.
That is a great idea. It's time for you to try that yourself.
Today, we're going to make paper from recycled newspaper. This DIY involves some grown-up equipment. You should only do this DIY with an adult's help.
You're going to need a blender, a wire hanger, a tub filled with water, a pair of pantyhose, newspaper, white glue, a tablespoon, and paper towels.
First, bend the coat hanger into a rectangular shape. Then stretch the pantyhose carefully over the frame. It should be tight and flat. Tie a knot on both ends to keep it secure.
With the help from an adult, add newspaper pieces and some water into the blender. Blend it for about 1 minute. Put 2 tablespoons of glue into the tub of water along with the mixture you just made. Get your hands in there and mix it up.
Slide the hanger frame down into the tub and then carefully lift it out very slowly.
Use the paper towels to carefully soak up the water. Then, put it in the sun to dry. Wait until it's completely dry. Then carefully peel off the new paper. By making new paper from old newspaper, you're recycling part of a tree, which is an important natural resource. Try it yourself.
Natural resources are things we use from nature, and we use these resources in everything we do. From the water that we drink to fossil fuels, we use natural resources every day. And we use them all in different kind of ways. We use trees to make paper and build houses. Rubber comes from trees to make tires and erasers. We use natural resources every day.
review. Today, we learned that things people use from nature are called natural resources.
Humans use natural resources for everything they do.
Plants and animals also use natural resources like water and air.
And now you know. Until next time, I'm Dr. Jeff.
I'm Elijah.
I'm Olivia.
And remember,
Always question, always wonder.